to you a little bit more. Okay, right there. Are you in all the way?
I'm hitting it in the drywall, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna go up a little bit.
Yeah, there's your hand crank that you were talking about.
Yeah.
That's so cool, and it just keeps it up there.
Yeah, it's a hanger for doing lids. It's just for lids, only lids. But it's a...
We're good?
Yeah, we're good. Next we get the light wire. So I'll go get my cookie cutter. Or do you just hang over and then...
Either way, it doesn't matter. That router, right?
That thing hangs down.
It does hang down a lot.
You know, matter of fact, that's going to be a problem.
Alright, the lighting is not the best in here this morning, but you can see our new ceiling here. So this is our drywall, and it's been taped and mudded. I'd say that they're pretty close to being done with it. And the ceiling overall, I think it looks great. I don't see much deflection in the ceiling, which is where the ceiling kind of lowers in some places due to the structure underneath the ceiling, which is basically our ceiling trusses. More on that later, but I think it looks really amazing.